I got my fresh croissants here from Lidl's. And I'm gonna show you all how I kind of jazz up, these beauties here. How I like to prepare my croissants. Sometimes, now this isn't an everyday thing, but sometimes I like to add a little flavor to my croissant. Just pick these up from Lidl's. They were probably just made this morning. I like to kind of butterfly my croissants. Don't want to get too many flakes everywhere. I want to butterfly that like that. Okay, then I'm going to grab a pan. Go ahead and put my toaster oven on toast. So we can get that already rocking and rolling. What I have here is a little sugar and cinnamon sugar. Kind of sprinkle that on. Like I said, just want to add a little flavor to my croissant this morning. I don't do this every morning, but that's just the way I'm feeling today. I mean, today is the day before New Year's Eve. I'm gonna pop this in the toaster oven. Let that do what it's gonna do. And here's something else I'm going to do this morning. I'm going to be flying out tomorrow morning. And something that I've noticed in my travels this year, not all the time, but sometimes when I come back from a Vegas trip or an Atlantic City trip and I'm on a plane or a train or around a lot of people, unfortunately, a day or so later, I got a scratch in my throat. I start sniffling, and the next thing you know, for the next week or so after my trip, I'm not feeling my best. I'm feeling a little worn down. I mean, sometimes going on a trip like that can wear you down anyway, but it's worse when you got a cough, sneeze, the whole 9 yards. So what I'm going to do on this trip, just to make sure that I'm going to be good to go, I'm going to work on my immune system. So what I have is some, I have emergency and I have airborne. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have some airborne with my coffee and croissant this morning. And I'm going to let one of these tablets, dissolve in some orange juice. My goodness. Okay. I'm on my croissant. Hold on a second, let me shake this orange juice up. While my croissant is toasting, I'm going to let that do its fizz thing. This is doing a little bit of fizzling. Set that right there. Oh. croissant. Okay, that's already toasty. All right, I'm gonna turn that off. I'm about to make my cup of coffee now. Go ahead and turn that off. And y'all know how I do my coffee. Y'all know how I do my coffee, matcha style. What I did was took some of the cocoa out of this canister. Sometimes, you know, look here. It says easy grip canister. You know, I didn't almost drop this thing. You know, ain't no telling how many times I almost dropped this thing. I don't know what they mean by easy grip canister. No. So what I did was I put the cocoa in this little container right here that I sit over here. That when it's time to make coffee, look here. This is easy grip. This is easy grip. I don't know what they talking about easy grip. I don't know what they talking about easy grip right there. Easy grip canister. I don't know. No. False advertisement. But teaspoon of cocoa. For my coffee. Okay, now full disclosure, y'all. Full disclosure. This isn't Fresh Market. This is 7-Eleven. I ran out of Fresh Market coffee. I told y'all. 7-Eleven is the backup. Alright, I ran out of Fresh Market. This is 7-Eleven coffee. So full disclosure. It's still good though. Y'all know 7-Eleven coffee is good. And you might be wondering, okay, you got 7-Eleven coffee at home? Yeah, I buy the little packs that they use to make the coffee in the store. I actually buy the little packs. I'll show you. Well, I mean, you saw in the other video. The little packs. But burn. That wouldn't be a good look. It's a little crispy on the edges, but it's okay. It's okay. Oh, look at the foam. Look at the foam, y'all. Look at the foam. Almost feel spoiled. Okay, now we're going to add the final touches to our croissant. Some honey. I know y'all thinking this dude is crazy. This dude is crazy. That's what I'm feeling this morning. That's what I'm feeling. I'm feeling a cinnamon croissant with a drizzle of honey. Alrighty, I'm ready to get to it. Oh, look at this beautiful scene they have on my computer here. Alright, I think I'm going to sit and listen to some nature sounds while I listen to, or while I sit here and eat my croissant. And drink my coffee. Okay. Let's get some whooshing sounds going here. Y'all know what? The thing is this. If you don't create the life you want to live, nobody else is going to do it for you. If you don't create the life you want to live, nobody else is going to do it for you. And there's one thing you want to do is surround yourself with the sights, sounds, and the taste of the things that you like. That actually helps to create a good life. Alright, I'm not going to talk y'all head off. But oh, that's it right there. Hey, y'all have a great day. Be blessed and be a blessing.